Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Cargo channel, and welcome to the beautiful and sunny state of California. Today we're visiting a company that makes cars beautiful. Like my E350 has the bumper from them, and that's why we took it with us. That company is called Suvneer, and they produce aero parts, aftermarket bumpers, skirts, and diffusers, spoilers, hoods for different variety of cars. They got famous in the beginning with making the bumpers for the W211 Mercedes that look like the 63, and they actually fit perfectly. Let's go in. They're right in this way. Okay, now we're in the warehouse of Suvneer, and I wanted to show you how good they pack their products, because you know those products get thrown out and they spend a good at least $20-30 to wrap your bumper so it doesn't get damaged during transport. Everything here is in stock. They're keeping a good inventory, and if you check their website, it just got renewed and you can see the list of cars. They're supplying parts for Mercedes, BMW, but not only that, they also have parts for Tesla, for Ford, even Porsche and Jaguar. So look at this. One of the main things that they sell are these hoods for BMW cars, and look at how well they're packaged. Yeah, this thing is not getting damaged during transport. So I see right here some C-Class Black Series bumpers. So it's a great upgrade for the W204. If anybody has like a C300, they can get this for a little bit over $500, and that's gonna change the whole front of the car and make it a lot more aggressive and according to me, way better looking. And we're gonna continue with the tour a little bit this way. Also a bit low-key, Suvneer has access of JDM Parts. These S2000, I think these are hoods, are straight off the boat from Japan, and they're not advertised on the website, but if you contact Gary at Suvneer on Instagram or Gary at Suvneer.com email address, you may request or see the inventory of also JDM parts. Another item Suvneer is very famous for are these front lips. This particular one is from a BMW, and it's made out of carbon fiber. Look at the weave of the carbon fiber. Everything is so meticulously done. These parts are made in Taiwan and they fit perfect. Like my bumper, I had no problem fitting my bumper on the car, and these are guaranteed to fit yours as well. What I'm thinking is I'll probably in the future pick up the XY splitter for my personal car, but besides the carbon fiber splitters, they also make diffusers and side skirt extensions. So go and browse the website. What a great company, and what great experience it was visiting the Suvneer warehouse today. We couldn't get Gary Lowe on camera because he's a bit camera shy. I don't mind him. Not everybody want to have their face on the internet like yours truly, but his products are the real deal. And if you want to check them out, I'll have an affiliate link to their newly redesigned website down below the like button, which I'd love you to smash, and check their products because they're really good. They have anything from Mercedes, BMW, Jaguar, Tesla, Ford, even Porsche. I am super excited because today we made a new connection, and in the near future we'll be reviewing some more Suvneer products and a secret product, which if you want to see, you have to subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna go ahead and say goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.